Hello, welcome back. 欢迎回来. This is vocabulary. From this video, I start to introduce vegetables. Say in Chinese, 蔬菜, 蔬菜. This one is very hard to pronounce. 吃 So close your teeth. Your upper and the bottom teeth are together and leave a very small gap between teeth. Then bring your tongue, the tip of the tongue, to fill the gap between the top and the bottom. 吃. At this time, your tongue have to be flat. 吃 is a hard one. You might go back to the pronunciation part and repeat the whole thing to be able to pronounce. 蔬菜吃爱菜 Okay, first one, spinach. In Chinese, 菠菜菠吃爱菜 So most of the vegetable has leaves, has 菜 at the end. And when you see the character, you see there is a sign, actually it's grass. So you always see these. Okay, 菠菜. Next one, celery. We have two ways to call it. First one, we say 芹菜. Again, this qi is hard to pronounce. qi, 芹 菜. The next one, we call it also 西芹. We learned that 西 means the direction, west. So actually it's a vegetable imported from Western country. In China they don't have. So most of the vegetable food we got from the other country, sometimes they put 西 in there showing it's imported. 西芹 Next one is cilantro or coriander. 香菜西一昂香吃爱菜香菜 Here, 香 means smells good or fragrant. And remember, some people translate this like parsley. Actually, in China, most of these are cilantro. It has a very strong fragrance. It's not parsley. And we know parsley is have more fiber. And we know parsley doesn't smell very much. And this cilantro smells much more than parsley. Actually, in the Chinese market, usually you see these. It's cilantro, it's not parsley. 西昂香吃爱菜香菜 Next one is lettuce. For this kind of lettuce, we eat this part. In Chinese, we call it 莴苣 And for the lettuce, we eat the leaves. In Chinese, we call it 生菜 shi sheng 吃爱菜 生菜 sheng means raw. So these are usually eat raw. So actually in Chinese dining table, not many people eat these kind of lettuce. We call it 生菜. Or in English, sometimes you call it salad. And this is another style of lettuce. It has a Chinese name. It's called 油麦菜. 油麦菜. 一偶油摸爱麦吃爱菜. Whenever you feel difficult to pronounce, please go back to the pronunciation part. Over there you will see the picture and show you the position for pronunciation, how you locate your tongue in the mouth, how you open your mouth. Alright, this is all the new vocabulary for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.